I just feel like I look good from head to toe.
It allows me to live my life normally, like not have to worry about when I go outside. It's like, is everybody staring at me? Why do I look like a freak? You know, those kind of things. Like, I don't feel handicapped. I feel really good because the product is so good and it looks so natural. It's like, I feel confident and feel great to leave, to go out and enjoy my life. So
I get compliments all the time, and I mean all the time, because people don't usually style their hair like I do as much, especially if you don't have hair.
But like people at my office had no idea originally, and then when they did, they're like, oh my god, they're like, I can't even tell. So it's been good. At least I don't, originally when I started it, I thought I was going to feel very self-conscious with it. Like I thought it might be noticeable, but noticing that people didn't know just gives me more reassurance that it was a good choice.
I'm able to pull off that you didn't know until I told you, for the closer friends. As far as general public, no one, not a single soul.
I would go to 4 different hairdressers when I first started using the system, and I would have to tell them before they started cutting that this is a hairpiece, and they would just stand there with their chin open going, if you didn't tell me, I wouldn't have known. And that's a great compliment. For a hairdresser not to know, that's a great compliment.
I would just encourage them to try Lordhair because for me personally, it's been the best product that I've ever had, and I've been wearing hair systems for almost 40 years now.
So the thing is that start feeling comfortable with yourself and start feeling comfortable in it, and trust me, it's only going to be you that's going to notice the difference. That in terms of, like, you know, it's only you that notices that you have a hair system on.
You kind of just have to make the jump, realistically. From my experience, it worked out great. Made that jump, and had I not shaved my head and started using the system, I don't think I would be even the person I am today. I don't even think the confidence level would be where it is by any means.
I was as cynical and skeptical at first as well, and sometimes you just got to take a chance. But I mean, for me, it's worked out real well, and if anybody can see it, I think if I'm as happy as you are, maybe that they will be as well.